Hi, hello there. Good morning. It's Sunday. It's Mary Cola here again. So today I want us to make a special breakfast. We're gonna serve it with fruit. Um, so yeah, I'll tell you what I'm gonna use. I have this is the strawberry we're gonna use. The strawberry. I have my 3/4 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. I have my 1 cup of milk. That's of baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt. I have one egg, and that's about it. So I'll go soak. I'm gonna wash the strawberry. I'm gonna wash my strawberry, soak it. Then I'll come and do the pancake, the butter. Okay. Okay. I didn't tell you. I also have a nutmeg over here. Okay. Okay, so let's go wash the strawberry and then we'll come and do our butter. Okay, so we're gonna sieve our flour, all-purpose flour, which is 3/4 cups. Okay, I'll put in my this is sugar. Sugar doesn't need to be sieved. Then I have here my baking powder. I'm gonna sieve that. I have in here nutmeg. My salt. The salt doesn't really need to be sieved, so I just put it in here. So there you go. Okay, so I have mixed everything in. Now I'm gonna crack my egg in directly in case. Oops. So my 1 egg is in. So now I'm gonna add my milk bit by bit. So my milk, it's carnation milk, but it's diluted. Okay. So as you know, carnation milk is evaporated milk, and it's more concentrated. So I diluted it, kind of half and half. Okay. So I'm gonna put in all the milk. Then I'll need 1 tablespoon melted butter, and then mix in everything well. And then I'll go and put it in the fridge and get my pan before we come solo. Okay, so here is my butter. You can see it's all smooth and light. It's gonna be like a French pancake. Okay. Okay, so we are here to fry. The first, I have to brush my pan with a bit of oil or butter, oil or melted butter. Okay, so that I guess is hot. The first one doesn't really come out, great as you want. Is it hot? Yeah. So the first one is gonna be 1 picky wiki, 2 picky wiki, 3 picky wiki, 4 picky wiki, 5 picky. I want it to run, but at the same time, I don't want it thick. Okay, this is perfect. Let's see, perfect. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. It's also crumbled. I'll leave it like this. When it's cooked, I'll bring it right. Okay, so it's ready. Okay, so we have to flip it. See the second one, the pan is ready, mature. Okay. Okay, so after I change my camera, and then I'm folding it, just fold it like this. Okay, and I put them there like that, and my strawberry is all washed. It's served with some ice cream. Okay, Sable. This is homemade strawberry. Okay, so this is our final pancake plate, a pancake platter with fruit. And so on this note, I want to say, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, comment, and share. And also I want to say I love you all, and thank you for watching.